Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, the like button, the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Right everyone, welcome to Vertex by Tri Pointe Homes. Now this is a townhouse community here in Summerlin. Now we're about 25 to 30 minutes away from Las Vegas Airport and the Strip. Highly desired area, you guys, West Summerlin. The area is actually called Red Point Square, okay? A couple of cool things about the community is they're gonna have like its urban core, which means that you're gonna have shopping centers. Everything's gonna be walking distance. You can get your coffee, you can go shopping. So that way you don't have to travel too far out. It's going to be almost like a downtown Summerlin over here in this part of Summerlin, okay? I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. Townhouse community that offers 4 different floor plans ranging from 1790 square feet all the way up to 1914 square feet, okay? With the base prices ranging from $478,000 all the way up to $518,000. Now, when you look at base price, just know the lot premium and the upgrades are not included, okay? So to get your actual price, you have to add the base price, lot premiums, and upgrades, okay? Now, the lot premiums here, they're gonna range from about $5,000 to $50,000. Now, these are townhomes, so it's not so much the size of the lot, but it's gonna be the location of the lot, okay? Whether you're gonna have like somewhat better views or whether it's gonna like behind you is gonna be no neighbors, that's gonna be what determines the higher lot premium. As far as the upgrades go, buyers are putting an average of about 10 to 12% in upgrades, okay, of the base price. That's what they're doing out here. Now, also too, as far as Tri Pointe, they're doing a mixture of both quick move-in homes as well as building from lot up. So if you wanna build from lot up, you could definitely do that. If you want to get into something a little bit sooner, they'll have some available inventory that'll be ready in the next few months, okay? Altogether, there's gonna be 128 homes here. They sold about 20, so they still have quite a ways to go. This community opened up in September, and now it's like mid-February. So other things you guys should know, the HOA is going to be $230 a month, okay? So $170 a month, that's gonna be for the HOA. And then $60 a month, that's going to be for your Summerlin master plan fee. Okay, so that's the $230. But you also do have a SID assessment here. So the SID balance is going to be $7,200. You could also pay that at once, so you don't have to make any payments, or you could pay $365 every 6 months. Okay, but once you pay $365 every 6 months, until that $7,200 balance is paid for, then you'll stop paying for that completely. Community, it has like a pool, there's dog park, there are parks out here. That's about it. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Plan 3. The Plan 3 is 1914 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price as of today is $518,000. Okay, so this is going to be the largest floor plan they offer in this community. When you have this, you'll also have like a backyard space as well. Cool, so let's check it out. So you have this nice 8-foot door. Right, so welcome in. See, already when you walk in, it just feels very open. And then look, when you're looking up, you can see like the stair rails. Definitely feels nice and cozy. Okay. And of course, it's Tri Pointe Home model house. They designed this really well. Flooring is all the way upgraded, okay? So standard flooring, you're gonna get like the 17 by 17 ceramic tile, only in the wet areas, and then you'd have carpet all throughout the house. So most buyers will they'll just remove the carpet from the first floor completely, and then they'll just like upgrade their tile. Okay, we also, again guys, 9-foot ceiling, okay? Very spacious. Beautiful kitchen. Plenty of cabinets. All right. You got the optional countertop, optional cabinets. As far as appliances go, the refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included. Looks like they also went with the optional backsplash as well. I think that's a clean look when you got the quartz countertop and you just have it as your backsplash as well. Okay. So right in here. So you're gonna have your pantry. So this is gonna be your powder room. Door to the garage, which is the sales office. Coat closet. So yeah, we'll check out the backyard. Hey guys, when you move into your brand new house, the backyard is just going to be a dirt lot. Okay, they normally give you, the HOA will normally give you about a year to fix it. I don't know, they're not too aggressive with giving people fines either. So just from what I've seen, beautiful backyard. So I know a lot of people, a lot of buyers, they would consider townhomes if there was a backyard, because I know a lot of buyers have pets. So having a backyard is important. This would actually work out. The end units, which will be the plan 3, and then I believe it is the, or one of the end units will have backyards. Okay, the inside units won't. Yeah, everything just flows so nicely here. Beautifully designed. All right, let's check out upstairs. So look, you have really high ceilings. So they also offer this model in Inspirata as well. I did a tour on that community. I'm sure you could find that if you're interested. I like the way this is designed better than the one in Inspirata though. Okay, so that's going to be your loft area. You have your primary bedroom right over there. And then your bedrooms are going to be right over here. And then you also have 9-foot ceilings on the second floor as well. Okay, so we got your 2 bedrooms. We have your full bath. We got the walk-in shower. Okay, fiberglass surround. Now, if you're thinking about visiting a new build community, do me a favor, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, you know, at least make sure they're with you on your very first visit. One thing you don't want to do is you don't want to go to the new build community on your own for your very first time, because once the builders register you in their system, they won't let you have agent representation down the road. With that is the builders, they look after the builder's best interest, so they don't look after your best interest. But realtors, we're there for, you know, to hold the builders accountable, to negotiate for you, make sure you get all the best incentives, okay? And the builders pay the realtor fee, so, you know, no brainer. It's a win-win scenario. Okay, look at this. This room is designed. This is pretty cool. Okay, so you get your standard closet right there. Again, 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. I feel like in the future, because a lot of builders will still have the 8-foot ceilings on the second floor, but I feel like later on they're all going to have 9-foot down the road. Okay, I see they're building a whole bunch of homes over there. As you can see the strip from over here. Okay, so here's your laundry room. All right, so again, washer and dryer is not included, and you have the optional cabinets right in there. You have the smart panel box. So this is where you set up your internet router modem. You have your coax cables. And have your Honeywell thermostat. And then if you are building from lot up, I do recommend at least upgrading your stair rails right here, because I don't know, when you're downstairs, and you look up here, I feel like having these type of stair rails, it just feels a lot more open compared to if you just had a pony wall right here. So yeah, nice cozy loft. Is this right here? Okay, so we got a linen closet. So yeah, we're actually right across the street from Arroyo's Edge. It's a tri-point single family community, but they're closing out, so they have like a few more homes left. All right, so welcome to the primary bedroom. So this is gonna be a king size bed. Definitely have room on the sides. Okay, nice ceiling. I like that little design there. Okay, so this is what you could see. So yeah, literally the neighborhood ends right there, and that's just all. They're just gonna be building all back there. So we got the shower tub right here. All right, dual sinks. Okay, so it looks like we have his and her closets. It's probably his, smaller closet, hers. Okay. It's like a medium-sized closet right here. And then your toilet. All right, guys. Yeah, let me know what you think about the 1914 floor plan. If you guys have any questions at all, if you're curious to know what the incentives are, give me a call, guys. Or if you're just interested in looking for representation and help with this new build process, give me a call, shoot me a text. Until then, I will catch you guys next video.